What's going on, guys? BDigi Crypto here. Just wanted to get back at you. We got a little unboxing here for you, so stay tuned. Alright guys, here we go. Shout out to Parallel Miner for this one. Go check out their site, linking down in the description. Bunch of stuff there, you know, from mining accessories, sometimes ASICs and so on. Today we got a breakout board, a bunch of PCIe cables, splitters, and server PSU, 1400 watts. So we'll just plug a bunch of GPUs into this bad boy. Probably never even use all of it, but just be safe rather than be sorry, you know. Let's go ahead and unpackage this bad boy. Sorry for all the noise. That freaking Antminer is super loud, you know, as all ASICs are, but shoot, we'll take it. Sometimes you can get them for super dirt cheap. Your ROI will be pretty quick on those guys, all depending. You gotta be careful. People sell them on eBay for a ridiculous amount of money. Look at that. Breakout board plugs right on there. There you go, check this guy out. Woo! Got the 24 pin on there for power, so we don't have to run another power supply, just all from this guy. Check it out. That's bitchin'. Stoked to get this guy installed. On to the next one. There we go. Hard drive. Little big, but it don't matter. Could use them for other stuff when they're done. GPU risers. RAM. And motherboard. We're gonna try this guy out. Gigabyte. There we go. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 PCIe lanes. We'll use all those guys. We'll probably end up plugging in an adapter, a 1 to 4 or whatever it is, into one of those guys so we can plug some more in. But that's about it, guys. We are waiting on a CPU to show up, I believe, in a couple days, and then we are gonna also be waiting on a couple GPUs, and then we will get this thing built up for you guys. More of like a non-edited, all the way ran through kind of video. So it'll be pretty cool. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, you know, check the click the bells for the notifications, hit the likes, leave a comment below. What are you mining with? What's your favorite GPU? All that stuff. Appreciate you guys watching, and until next time.